everyone. So today I'm saying that I need a couple more subscribers, and I know this is a really bad grammar, sorry, but yeah, I need a couple more subscribers, and just take the 5 seconds and just go up there and subscribe. I don't know where it is exactly, but yeah. Way back there. Alright, also, I just want to say this is a makeup channel, also cheerleading and randomness, and you know. And yeah, it's gonna show up Keysine. It's not me, it's my friend's name, and I don't know, it just made up like, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, oh, yep, so subscribe and like my videos, and yeah, yep. If you have any questions or requests, just put them down there. And I showed you my other video. I got you. If the glare goes away, I can show you. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just being really sorry. So, yeah, that's really all I want to say. Bye. Subscribe.